Okay, so I was just thinking Restaurant Tycoon. Most of the time, the game is focused on your own restaurant. But today, I'm going to be going out and trying people's foods to see if the cheap one is better than the expensive one. Now, I'm going to be seeing this by whether it's boosted or not, and just by a bunch of other things. And the best restaurant will get a like or something. I don't know. And there are 3 people in the server, so let's go. Versus LeBron James Boba Shop. They could win sunglasses. And that would give them a lot more likes. So decoration is fine, but let's check on this. The cheapest item is some coffee. Not bad for $5. $5 is incredibly overpriced for coffee, dude. Hopefully the service isn't bad. We'll just sit here. Thank you. Alright, taste test. So good. This thing looks like it has like no creamer in it, so it probably tastes horrible. Oh, get that thing away from me. Okay, $5 is a cheap item. It's kind of terrible, but the most expensive is the pecking duck. Doesn't really seem to be pecking that much since it's dead, but whatever. Let's go explore the restaurant. We got an elevator. I can't click the button. Someone tell this dude his stupid elevator is broken. Here's the top floor. Nothing. Some tables. So yeah, not much actually. I mean, the decoration isn't bad. Although I do have to say the service is absolutely terrible. Let me check their little thing. I can't even see their like rating, dude. Sucks. When am I getting my duck? Oh, I got my duck. Okay, this tiny little thing that's smaller than my hand. I could eat that thing in one bite. And that for $25? $25? And it was boosted. Okay. I'm not ordering that, dude. Okay. Why was that guy floating? The most expensive was $25 and the cheapest was $5. Let's see if June 666 restaurant is gonna be better. And they have a 4.9 stars. Oh, let's check. So the cheapest item is water for $6. For water, by the way. Water. $6. For water. So is this Las Vegas or something? I actually kind of hate the design for this restaurant. Like no offense, but like, come on, man. They also have like way less tips than I'd expect. I think I have like 50,000 stored up right now. I'm too lazy to actually clear it out because it takes a bunch of time. Our water for $6. Why are you so tall? So $6 for this. And the katsu curry for $27. I don't know why it's so expensive when it's so tiny, but okay. I'm pretty sure this dude was just one of those people who spams a bunch of decorations to get a good rating. Which, no hate to people who do that, because I do the same thing. Well, I guess I'm never getting my katsu curry. So we're gonna move on to this one. Bon appetit, your majesty. Let's check it out. Okay, it's one of those annoying farming restaurants. Though I do have to say, they have some pretty expensive cheap items. $9 for banana milkshake and most expensive katsu curry. As, of course, it's the most expensive. Either an AFK grinder or just someone who's really tired. See, even this dude wants a banana milkshake. I'm shitting with this guy. Alright, got the milkshake. It's literally so tiny. Let's eat. Eat up. Eat up. Okay, I guess I don't know how to eat. I guess eating isn't really a normal thing for this world. Alright, the katsu curry, not bad, not bad. Slurping it up. Yes. Okay, this place wasn't terrible. I don't know what's happening here, but let's go. Also, I'm pretty sure they went down, like, a lot of stars when I was gone. There's also this guy who spawned in, so let's check his out. Most expensive chorizo for $19. And cheapest is water for $3. That is the best deal ever. Diamonds! I already got every single thing for a bathroom. It was a really long bathroom, dude. He's got all those toilets. See, he got the toilet paper. He has the little bars to help people. Wait, I wonder if they even deliver food in the bathroom. Okay, and after the long wait, I finally got my food. So this is for $19. Let's get a munch. That ASMR was pretty chill. So I think it's safe to say LeBron James with $26 to his name deserves the sunglasses.